So I'm gonna be buying some plywood. I'm gonna be replacing the transmission myself on the truck. They want to charge me just to replace it $750 or just to replace it. I'm gonna be doing it then. I'm gonna see if I can get the plywood cut and to 3 feet by the 8 feet, because it's not gonna, it'll fit in the trunk. I don't have a truck to fit the 4 foot. Maybe hopefully they can do that here and cut it for me, you know. Damn, so look right here for this sheet. Damn, they want, look at the price just for that. That's freaking crazy. I don't know, I just need the plywood so when I use a jack, because I have only dirt, I only have dirt, so if I can get just enough to fit in the car. Have to start off with the monster, the best, and the purple one, the grape. So I got this plywood. I wanted to get the full 8 sheet 4x8 plywood, but it wouldn't fit on the car. I was thinking about putting it on top. I just bought 2x4s. With both of these, I can just roll the jack just for the transmission. That's all I needed it for, because I don't have a concrete. So since I don't have concrete, that's why I just want to use it for that. And then I got some tools for work. Just got a new square, super useful at work. And then an extra pencil. I got this blade that has a Phillips attached to it, so for whatever. And then, oh shoot, then it has a bottle opener right there. I didn't even notice that. All right, so we have the setup right here. Hopefully this goes quick. I've never replaced the transmission before, so I'm gonna start off taking this off. I'm gonna put the jack right here, and then I'm gonna start taking this off. All right, so I just removed all this, the cables right here, the harness, and then I disconnected everything. Now I just gotta remove those bolts, and then I still gotta remove those. All right, so I finally got the transmission out. It was a bitch. It took me, it was already off, it was unbolted and everything. Like, I don't have a fucking concrete. The right side of the jack fell off the plywood right there, so I couldn't move it. And then I was trying to jack up the transmission and move the jack, but I couldn't because I had to use my both hands. So it took me about 2 hours to figure out what to do. And fuck, it's so frustrating when you're working by yourself doing something like this. You don't have help. Eventually thought of getting that jack and lifting it and all that bullshit. And then to take it out from here, the transmission, I had to jack up the front of the truck, lift it, and then it would, like, I had to lift up the transmission like that and just pull it out. I felt like I kind of pulled something on, like, on my back a little bit. Started stretching a little bit right now. It does hurt a little bit, but I hope I don't wake up with a bad back. Now the real mission, getting this one down. This is gonna be another mission. And I already have the other transmission in, basically. You guys don't want to know how I dropped the transmission. That transmission is going to be for sale. I don't know how much can I get for it. Maybe 300 bucks. Yeah, this is exhausting, man. Doing it by yourself, it's freaking tiring. Look at me, I'm all filled with freaking oil and sweaty and everything, man. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm gonna wake up tired tomorrow though. We'll see how we continue on this. Peace.